we're gonna go get the roll-on orange kit installed for my KTM RC200. So the chain is kind of getting worn out, and it was anyway time to clean it and get it lubed, so I thought instead, why not, we just upgrade. This is supposed to make the bike feel more smoother. Actually, there's been a lot of mechanical sound because of the chain getting worn out. But I do feel like there is like a slight delay in the power, so both of those result to the chain and the sprocket actually getting worn out, and it always it's good to replace it around 15,000 or 20,000 kilometers, and I have already crossed 15,000 kilometers, so it's a good time to replace it. So right now we are on our way to go to the KTM service center, so we're gonna go get some rubber dampers. So the rubber dampers are supposed to be changed whenever you change the chain sprocket kit. So these rubber dampers, essentially what they do is they just help the throttle response to be smoother, and they ease the wear and tear on the parts like the chain, the sprocket. The chain is actually in contact with the mounting part which has the rubber dampers, if I'm not wrong. Upgrading the chain sprocket kit is mainly for smoothness and for better lubrication retention and durability. It's not really for performance. And typically X-ring chains have higher durability than O-ring chains just because of how the seals are. So the roll-on orange kit is essentially made for KTM bikes, hence the name orange kit, but roll-on also makes other chain sprocket kits like the brass kit, for example. Okay, we are almost at the service center. Now let's go pick up those rubber dampers, and once we get those, we are gonna go to HTRZ Artistry and get the chain sprocket kit installed. Let's do that. Okay, so we have finally got the rubber dampers. These are the dampers. So let's quickly leave from here. That took way more time than expected, bro. We are gonna go get an upgrade, so it's all worth it, man. Let's go. Apparently the metro is gonna start soon. The pink line is gonna start soon. I hope they fix these roads also by then. That would be so nice. See, signal will turn green. Within the first 2 seconds, people will start honking, bro. This is the main reason I didn't want to take this road. But what else can I do? I had to go to the service center to get the dampers, and unfortunately I have to take this road. But look at this road. Oh my god, oh my god. No, people want to use the metro here. It's going to open the end of this month or next month or something. If people want to use the metro, how will they travel to the metro stations, bro? I hope they fix the roads fast. Oh, can you hear the radiator fan? I think the whole installation process will take around 45 minutes, 1 hour. Or maybe even less. My chain has already become really rough. Okay, we are almost here. Bro. Okay, let me just park my bike inside. என்ன ப்ரோ?
செயின் பாக்கெட் இருக்கு.
ஆமாம் இருக்குது. Thanks, bro. Okay, right at the get-go, the bike feels way smoother. The gear shifting, oh my god, the gear shifts feel so smooth. And that lag that was there earlier, that's completely gone, bro. That's what I was explaining earlier too. It's not going to make the performance better, but it's going to make it so much smoother. And another thing about this roll-on orange kit is that the maintenance. So even the maintenance interval will slightly increase because of the durability, but now I'm going to keep getting it cleaned and looped at every 500 kilometers. I feel that gives the chain the best life. I've got to fuel up my bike. Fuel range is saying 0. Oh my god. It's always recommended to keep at least 3 liters of fuel in fuel injected bikes, so that the fuel pump doesn't get spoiled. Need to take a right here. Okay, my man is here to help me. It's written Dost also. Okay, let's go. It's so much smoother, seriously. And that sound has also disappeared. Like my old chain, it was giving that weird, like there was a weird mechanical sound. I don't know how to explain the sound, but that sound has also disappeared now. So talking about the cost of the roll-on orange kit for the RC200 is about 3,500 rupees. And to get it changed, the service cost, it was around 1,200. I usually go to HTRZ Artistry and HTRZ Mods to get my modifications and the work done on my bike. I like the work that they do there. Give me shade, bro. Give me shade, bro. Somebody's gonna honk. I knew it. I just knew it. You get the feeling that it's accelerating faster. It's actually not accelerating faster, it's just more smoother. I always love the RC braking. I've actually upgraded my brake setup also. I'm going to make a video explaining all the modifications that I've done on my RC200. So that video is going to come too. And also tomorrow I'm going to be taking my bike for a longer ride, around 70 to 100 kilometers. So I'll know how the chain is performing in a longer ride. Right now I'm just going back home from the workshop, so that's not even like, it's less than 5 kilometers, so I won't know exactly how much improvement there is, even though instantly I can feel it, it's much smoother. But still, when I go for a longer ride, I'll really know. To always get the best life out of your chain and sprocket, it's important to lube it and clean and lube it every 500 kilometers. And especially living in India with so much pollution, dust, it's good to, less than 500 kilometers, just lube it and clean it. You can do it at home, doesn't take much time. My old chain kit, the stock kit, started wearing out after 15,000 kilometers. But if you don't maintain it well, it will start wearing out after 10,000 kilometers. That's why good maintenance is important. I was thinking between the roll-on brass kit and the roll-on orange kit. The brass kit is just brass coated, so it's a misconception that the brass kit is actually made of brass. Brass is not as strong. The orange kit looks good for KTM bikes. It has the orange color. Here. This is all lube sprayed over my wheel. But look at the orange color. It looks cool. I like the orange color.